Hi everyone, my name is Abi from FLUIX LLC. At FLUIX, we design and manufacture the next generation of liquid cooling hardware for PC gamers and enthusiasts. Our team consists of gamers, technology lovers, and engineers. And today I am so excited to announce that we're launching our first product, the FLUIX Tri-Swift Water Block. The Tri-Swift features our patent-pending triple inlet design for increased fluid speed and cooling performance. This means that you can get the highest frames while gaming without experiencing thermal throttling. You can unlock more headroom to overclock and push your PC to new heights. We know there are many coolers out there, but with the Tri-Swift you can build a truly unique liquid cooling loop that matches your specific aesthetic and performance needs. The Tri-Swift is finally available for pre-order. You can get two versions, an AM4 version for Ryzen and an LGA version for Intel CPUs. Go to FLUIXengineering.com to pre-order today. Make sure to follow us on all social media, as we'll be announcing affiliate links from our partners where you can get $20 off your order. Game, stream, design, and overclock endlessly with the FLUIX Tri-Swift Water Block.